This is My Glam Lit Lip and Eye Sparkles. This is a sparkle, or you can say glitter, for your lip and eyes. MRP of the product is 445 rupees. Quantity of product you are getting is 1.1 gram. The shade I am reviewing here is Crown Jewels. Let's see, I have used this product 2 to 3 times and I have quite liked this. It gives a metallic look to your makeup. Will give that glittery bling feeling. Just look at this cute bottle. So cute, you would die for this. Shade is mentioned here, that is Crown Jewels. Just look at the product. It is so pretty. Let's see the shade. It's a copper brown shade. You can say some brick shade, tone of a brick, but a proper copper brown shade. It will give metallic look to your makeup. You can use it in your eyes as well as in your lips. A very loose powder, very thin. It is not coarse. It spreads easily. Just a little amount you need to get that bling. You can use your fingers to dab this glitter by soft pressing motion. You can also use a lip brush to apply this glitter. Look at the shade. The particle falls off easily, so make sure you apply some base before applying this. You need something that it can stick on to. If you are applying it to the lips, use a creamy lipstick or lip gloss. If you are using it in eyes, definitely you use a primer. Particle will keep falling. The particle keeps falling if you don't stick it properly, since it's loose. Also, if you want, you can use this as highlighter for your cheeks. If you rub your finger after applying on your eyes, a visible amount of glitter comes to your hand, so you have to handle with care. The sparkle is really good for a wedding function. It gives a bling to your eyes and lips. Just that you have to apply it properly, not too much. Eyeshadow is perfect eyeshadow you can get from this sparkle. Crown Jewels shade is to die for. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. Also, if you want free My Glam products, register via below link and take My Glam survey. My Glam Lit and Lip Eye Sparkle.